Well, it's Monday night. We are going to be able to see real good with them headlights. Working on the truck tonight. Now we're leaking air again.
What are we doing?
That's where it's coming from. It's coming out the bottom of the air dryer. Well, every 5-minute job turns into an hour. I didn't put enough wire on this thing to be able to pull the thing completely out. So you gotta disassemble half the dashboard to get into it to be able to release the clips. Thanks, Freightliner. The funs and joys of wiring. So these are heat shrink soldering connections. We use a heat gun and it melts the solder. And you just go around and do the shrink. 4 down and a bunch more to go. Hoping this works out pretty good. You get the picture. I got a lot more to go. Well, that's installed. Everything's put back together. We got some good tunes now. At least we can use Bluetooth from our phone or an aux cord, and we can charge our phones while going down the road. Making progress. Well, it's Tuesday night. We're here at Daryn's shop. Just demounted the tires off all them wheels. The black car is over here. He has been kind of working on it. We still have it. The white car is not his. It's been here for over a year. That's Chad Zobrist. It's kind of coming along. He's got to put the deck in it, then it'll be ready to go back together. Well, it's Friday about 4:30. We're in the hauler, Doug and I, going on a road trip. Short little 7.5 hour drive to Michigan. Going to pick up a trailer. Says we should be there about 11:30, but I don't know if that's our time because they're an hour ahead of us. Just past the exit for the Brownstown Raceway. Doug said don't turn. It's going to be up here on our left here in just a minute, but we're trucking on. Plan is to get there tonight, sleep, get up in the morning and hook it up, do the deal, and hammer down back home. After a 29-hour drive back from California, this is just like going across town. And gotta love the Friday afternoon traffic. There's the racetrack. Our Friday night home this summer. Doug's got his GPS out.
It was in the truck.
He's trying to figure out how we get there. I'll just stick to that. Well, we're about 3 hours and 45 minutes into the trip. I don't know if you can see that building over there, but if you know where the Lucas Oil Stadium is, then you know where we're at. Downtown Indianapolis. Still trucking.
He raised that door up quite a bit.
Well, it's 1 a.m. We're in Michigan picking up something. See back there now.
Don't worry about the yard. You can go out in there.
Well, it don't look too bad. They sold this Intech. It's got a big toter and a wild side liftgate trailer. So we're at Devin Shields' shop. That's who we bought the trailer from. Doug is in love with the cabinet package in their shop. He'd probably want it in white or red, not blue, but I like the blue.
Yeah, but no, we got an interview here. Yeah. Who we bought the trailer from. This is Devin. I'll step away over here. Yeah.
So this is a 2023 Rocket that's kind of similar to ours. We've been talking back and forth. We both suffered the same struggles this summer. And then he also has an 18 car back there that was like our 19. Couldn't mess it up.
They were a good car. Good car.
What's your biggest win?
5,000 to win Barney Oldfield. Cup up there is what you got for the trophy. And those are all championship trophies. Haven't had a good trophy.
Daryn got his biggest win at 6,500 this year.
Did he?
The Highland Fair Race.
I said I always wanted a big check, and that is what the one thing I didn't have on my bucket list was a big check. That was for an actual race and not a track championship or something. But no, it was that was the goal. I wanted it a big check, like Happy Gilmore. No, we got a lot of work to do. We got bodies to build and engines to switch.
When does your season typically start?
March 20-something, and it's usually snowing, so
we'd stay home.
Gets canceled.
Yeah, we'd stay home.
Yeah, Attica starts early because they like to get it out and going, and they end early. In I think September they end.
We start the middle of March and usually run like the first week in October.
Yep. Yeah, we're done by the first week of October usually because it gets cold.
Yeah.
I think it's like 40 right now degrees out there and crashing.
I've been at the racetrack when the snow was flying. It wasn't very much fun.
No, salamander's going.
Yeah.
Keep warm and oh yeah. Usually they cancel the first 3 races just due to snow or rain or cold.
Usually we get 1 or 2 in and then you're off for a couple weeks because of the rain.
If I decide to go to Florida for spring break, usually that's when it's 70 degrees and they're racing.
Yeah.
how it always works.
Where you gonna find something
But,
to stand?
no, it's been a good year for us with the cars and getting a new driver learning, and it's good. It's very good.
Well, it's 3 a.m. We're at a Love's. Stopping to get fuel. Probably gonna take a nap. She's a beaut, Clark. She's a beaut. Once we get back to the shop tomorrow, I'll do a full walk around and inside. Just kind of walking around, checking things out. Well, 3 o'clock. We're back at the shop. So, this is how the lights connect.
Yeah.
In the door.
Shit. They haven't plugged nothing in?
Right.
Isn't that slick?
Get that light, Doug.
Huh?
Get that light.
It's actually pretty bright. Now,
Red one.
It lights up all the way back. It was pretty deep.
it probably got to about right here, Nicholas.
Yeah. But George, instead of the wire for the rear lights in the door,
I'll be there.
look.
Oh, yeah, I see where it connects right there.
Fold down tire racks. Got 2 air conditioners.
That's it. That was on
These
that other
strips,
one.
that lifts up, goes to the back door.
Well, he put that reflector shield up there for that light. When that light shines off of it.
Slides in there.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
what I'm saying is, though, it reflects that light.
Storage under there. Storage under there.
And then
We're gonna add 2 tire racks on that side.
Yeah. It is hanging the same as they did.
This is a spare tire. It's a steel wheel, and that wheel plate there is a 1/4 inch thick. Takes 2 men in a crane to lift it. Smasher cabinet, that's what'll be going in there. Cabinets there, generators in there. It's got a walk-on roof. This is all storage. These are just fold down doors, the top 2, and then them are drawers that slide out. We are thinking we're going to build a cabinet here with a workbench on it for Daryn in his shops, and possibly building an L cabinet up here from the ladder around to there for more storage.
16 inches older than those.
Dang nice trailer. The Shields definitely took care of it. It's a 2019 Intech. We appreciate their hospitality last night, and they know it's going to a good home and it's going to be well taken care of, just like they did. We're glad to be back. It was a long trip for sure. I'm really not that long, but this toter's got 2,950 miles on it since I picked it up in California, and I've been behind the wheel for all of them. We're excited. Got some things we want to do to it, but we'll make it ours and take good care of it. Well, we're docked in the shop. We tried something. It looks like we can leave the truck and trailer hooked together and it will fit in here. We'll just have to walk underneath the trailer to get to the side, but it looks like it's going to fit, which will be handy during race season. Drop us a comment, let us know what you think about the new trailer. That's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. Again, thanks to Devin Shields and his family for the hospitality last night and the awesome trailer they sold us. If you like what you're seeing, hit that thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race car in the lower right hand corner. We'll catch you later. We're out of here.